interpretive.
And it's a role that seems to fit it like a skin-tight superhero suit. But it seems that Dwayne Johnson's real superpower just might be his humility. An only child, Johnson had the humblest of beginnings. His dad, Rocky Johnson, was a pro wrestler back in the days when road trips were long and money was tight. So you guys were nomads, basically.
We were nomads. We had that life up until I was 16 years old. We lived on the road. And I had spent a lot of my time growing up in the backseat of a car.
He went to college on a football scholarship, but injuries and bad luck eventually sent him back home, defeated, with only $7 to his name. Years later, he'd name his production company $7 Productions as a reminder of where he started. But in the mid-90s, he turned to wrestling as a way to pull himself out of poverty.
If Flex Nevada loses, he's out of the U.S.
Oh, wait.
Announcers need a wrestling name. You got one yet?
On his autobiographical sitcom, Young Rock, Johnson recounts how he started wrestling at WMC-TV in Memphis under the name Flex Cavano.
I'm working in Memphis, and man, it was a grind. 8 shows in 7 days, week after week.
I got some Miller highlights. Let's celebrate.
Nice.
And how a friend named Downtown Bruno gave the broke future superstar a place to stay in his rundown trailer. It turns out the trailer park in Walls, Mississippi is still there.
Bruno, come here, man.
And so is his old friend, Bruno Lauer.
Finally, the Rock has came back to Walls, Mississippi.
Their old home was pretty much as they'd left it, too.
Watch your step, everybody.
Yeah, be careful.
No worries. I didn't wear my heels for this portion.
I haven't been here since then.
You've not been back?
No. Back, so it's bringing back a lot of memories.
What are you thinking?
Tracy, I'm so grateful. Grateful to have a friend like Bruno. Grateful to have the opportunity that I had. And life is just so amazing. It can be, just truly.
Talk about amazing. Dwayne Johnson went on to be a huge success in the wrestling world as The Rock. In 2001, he made the jump to film, and after some early success, Hollywood tried to mold him into a typical leading man.
They said, okay, great, but now here's what you have to do. You have to stop working out as much. You have to lose weight. You can't call yourself The Rock. You can't talk about wrestling. Let's stay away from all that.
These are all the things they told you. Don't be this anymore.
That's right. So I tried that, Tracy. I tried getting smaller, losing weight. It all felt wrong.
And once you started being yourself,
That was it. When that happened, the funny thing happened. Hollywood conformed around me. And years later, I'm sitting here with you.
so while he can bust up the big screen bad guys, he can also sing in an animated Disney feature.
I know it's a lot, the hair, the bod, when you're staring at a demigod.
And he can be funny, or at least try to be.
Before this, I used to work in an orange juice factory, but I got canned. Couldn't concentrate.
He also owns a wide array of businesses, among them Terramana Tequila, and it's no secret he likes to drink it as well as sell it.
Enjoy your mom.
But Dwayne Johnson says his favorite role is dad to his 3 daughters. His 2 younger girls are often seen on his Instagram page. So you really enjoy those tea parties?
Tracy, I love them.
And that's the kind of thing that seems to make the public love him all the more. In fact, he's been talked about seriously as a presidential candidate. A 2021 poll showed nearly half of voters would pick him for the White House. It's even something he and Tom Hanks joked about a few years back when Johnson hosted Saturday Night Live.
That kind of sounds like you and me. I guess we gotta do it. Come on.
But when we asked, Dwayne Johnson told us that a run for the White House was not going to happen. Is running for president off the table now?
It's off the table, yes. It is off the table. We'll say this, because it requires the B side to this. I love our country and everyone in it. I also love being a daddy. And that's the most important thing to me, being a daddy. Number 1, especially during this time, this critical time in my daughter's life, because I know what it was like to be on the road and be so busy that I was absent for a lot of years with my first daughters, growing up in these critical age, in this critical time in her life. And that's what the presidency will do. So my number one priority is my daughters. Sure, CEO sounds great, but the number one thing I'm going to be is daddy. That's it.
Heroes don't kill people.
Well, I do.
So sure, he can play a hulking superhero, no problem. But in real life, the only thing bigger than Dwayne Johnson's muscles, other than his ambition, just might be his heart. If Black Adam is fueled by rage, today, what are you fueled by?
Oh, that's a good question. I've been saving that one. That's good. If Black Adam is fueled by rage, I am fueled by passion. I'm fueled by passion. I run to everything I do. Yep, especially my daughters. So I would say that. I'm fueled by passion. And tequila.
When you need to know, turn to CBS News Radio.
I'm Peter Greenberg, and this is today's Ion Travel Minute. On your next hotel stay, if your room doesn't get serviced, don't be surprised. Hotels are still experiencing major staff shortages. In a recent survey, 87% of hotels reported understaffing, and 36% said the shortages were severe. The most critical area? Housekeeping. And while many hotels are now aggressively recruiting, increasing wages to more than $22 per hour, the highest they've ever been, 91% of the hotels say they are still unable to fill those positions. The U.S. Bureau of Labor reports that hotel employment is down 400,000 jobs compared to February 2020. So what does this mean to you? In the short term, you may be paying high or higher hotel room rates and receiving less service. For more information, visit petergreenberg.com. I'm Peter Greenberg, and this is today's Ion Travel Minute.
For the breaking news network you can take anywhere, CBS News Radio.
I'm Tony Nicole. That massive verdict handed down in a lawsuit against Alex Jones. A jury determined the radio talk show host and conspiracy theorist must pay nearly $1 billion in damages to the families of Sandy Hook shooting victims. Jones repeatedly called the school massacre a hoax on the air. Last year, a judge found him liable of defamation by default after he failed to produce documents demanded in the lawsuit. And Nikki Batiste has been following this case for months. We find her at the courthouse in Waterbury, Connecticut, where the judgment was read. Nikki?
I sat in the courtroom near several of the Sandy Hook victims' family members as that verdict was read, and they were emotional yet poised. Several told me soon after they were in shock, but that this is the accountability they want Jones to face after enduring years of harassment from him and his supporters.
The jury reached a verdict in this case.
In less than 3 days, the 6 jurors decided that conspiracy theorist Alex Jones must pay more than $965 million in compensatory damages for spreading false claims that the 2012 Sandy Hook school shooting was a hoax.
I let my boys be taken away from me.
Robbie Parker lost his daughter, Emily. Parker testified that a video of him speaking at his daughter's funeral was mocked by Jones.
I'm just proud that what we were able to accomplish was just to simply tell the truth.
Jones and his company, Free Speech Systems, were sued by 8 victims' families and an FBI agent who responded to the shooting over claims the company made millions spreading misinformation about the tragedy. Jones and his attorney maintained that the trial was a sham and an attack on his First Amendment rights. Though he was not in court, Jones watched live on his webcast. He cheered while the verdict was read, mocking the families and saying they won't receive any payments. How likely is it that this will financially ruin or could financially ruin Alex Jones?
Well, one of the things that Alex Jones tried to do throughout this case was to hide his assets.
Jones' company filed for bankruptcy in July, but a forensic economist in a previous case estimated that Jones is personally worth as much as $270 million. Since this case will not have a cap on punitive damages, Judge Barbara Bellis will now consider how much Jones will ultimately have to pay. The fight also continues for Mark Barden, who lost his son Daniel in the tragedy.
And after each victory, Daniel's still dead.